find the electric fence, Bailey. I got Bailey's on. Like I get the whole arm.
The guy on the bus was going.
Yeah, thank God.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna try to build this electric fence, Bailey.
Now they're asking me to
God.
Huh?
I don't know what it's saying.
We got a little alien on with this dude.
Sure.
So you reckon just keep going straight?
Just pin these back. Can you see it?
Yeah. I'm a bit like that too. It's one of my personality traits.
Yeah, I gave it to you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely. I'm live up in there now. Just wait until you get that, like, you're on.
Holy!
Dude!
How far down are you dropping?
Oh, Bailey! Oh no! No! Bailey, bro! No! Oh, dude. Okay, I just hit the water.
Yeah.
Bro, careful because it just...
I can see you.
It just
It's still
dismounted.
falling down. Oh, mine's gone too!
Yeah, it just dismounted me, bro. Still. You should be separately above it. Right. Just call me if you need that. Alright, see you, mate. Is this where we drop down, Bailey? This little thing here?
I think it might be, bro.
I'll just get real close.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah. Holy! I landed in the water and dropped the divider again.
Oh,
Hey! You ready, fool? Yeah, we're on here.
Whoa! What the fuck, bro? I didn't see her. I'm wasting it. You okay?
Oh, wait, that's it! Go crazy on that one!
Can you throw a flare or something, bro? I can't see shit.
No, ready? I'm at it.
Oh! What the fuck is that, bro? I need a flare. I can't see.
Oh shit, I forgot to light it. Get that up, yeah.
Damn.
They died quick at. Yeah.
Oh shit, okay. Creepy dude.
Oh! Get a Molotov set. Not scared, bro. I got shot. Ah, big one here.
Oh, fuck, it hits hard.
I lifted.
Oh, is that relic?
Just two.
Oh, there's a shark! Oh, fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! I jumped in it with it. Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah, he's
up.
not coming towards you. He's coming towards you.
Get the fuck up! Okay.
You're out. You're out.
Whoa.
Just go straight up, bro.
We did it.
Get over there. Fuck, bro, my fella's still cold. Holy! That was cool, that was.
Fuck.
We're gonna have to,
Yeah,
we're gonna have to find some leather, eh?
yeah, we're gonna have to. 'Cause we're getting cold.
That big fella. I reckon.
Right, it's 10 more.
Actually,
Yeah.
so yeah, I'm going. I wanna see him getting lifted by this fence.
Yeah, oh, yeah. We did run back.
Oh, awesome. I went back to that.